In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Expedia account. Setting up your account is an important first step if you want a smoother and more organized travel booking experience, since it allows you to keep all your trips, preferences, and details in one place. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Expedia website. Once the homepage finishes loading, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find the Sign In option there. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select the Sign In option again to proceed to the Account Access page. On this page, you'll be given several ways to create your account. You can choose to sign up using services like Google, Apple, or Facebook if you prefer a quicker method. Alternatively, you can enter your email address manually in the field provided and continue with that option. Choose whichever method feels most convenient for you. After selecting your preferred method and continuing, Expedia will send a verification code to the email address you provided. At this point, open a new tab and access your email inbox. Look for the message sent by Expedia, open it, and copy the verification code included inside. Once you have the code, return to the Expedia page where you started the process. Enter the code into the verification field and continue. This step helps confirm your identity and ensures that your account is being set up securely. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be successfully created. You can now start exploring travel options, saving your preferences, and managing your bookings more efficiently. With your account ready, planning your trips becomes much more convenient and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.